Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Our good name is Garytech Interior Design. So today I'm going to give you a quotation for, let's say it's like a 2-bedroom sitting room, of which one bedroom is en suite and then a balcony. So we have a client that suggested to build him. So I think I live streamed it like 2 days ago. So now it's day 3 and then we are now laying our foundation stone. So the video I will just put it there so as to be playing so far where we have reached. So it is a simple 2-bedroom with a sitting room and a balcony, of which if you want maybe to extend like a kitchen inside, you can even extend that balcony to be a kitchen, and then you on the sitting room you can just have a little bit extension for one to be the balcony. So I will give you a quotation for the how far we have reached. So there will be 2 categories: local materials, and then the other one that will be from hardware. So we will start with the local. So of which local we will need a sand, block, hardcore, and then the sand, block, hardcore, and then so that one will be a local material that we'll need to buy. So like for the sake blocks, for this we have buy like 1,000 blocks for foundation, of which here in Garissa a block we are selling it at 47 shilling. A machine cutting stone they are selling at 47 bob each piece. And then a sand they are say a tipper, it depend with the, maybe you can be like 5,000. Is it 5,000? Yeah, it's like 5,000 the small one, and then the other one, the hardcore, even the price is always is different. And then with the water, and water is an essential material for it to be on the particular. For like water is something that is the first one that you must be considered to have it for the site. So, and then ballast, I forgot to say ballast. There will require for the foundation, let's say for the foundation just have like 2 lorries. And then sand, I've told you, so like we can put sand is per lorry, it's 5,000. And then hardcore 3 trips. For this will be 3 trips. So each trips it's going like at it's going for 8,000. And then blocks it is going for 47 shillings depending with the. So here I'm just giving you a local price for Garissa. So if you want to have such a house, you can just consult your nearest hardware. And then so we'll go to the hardware material. So now is section 2, of which is hardware material. So the first one you need is cement. So let's say here we went with 50 cement of bag. So that was the first one to be at site, so as to have for example from foundation to the concreting, and then maybe it will somewhere for the walling. So here each bag of cement they are selling at 780 a single bag. So here we were with 50 bags. So you'll calculate 50 times 780, and then you'll have hoop iron. So for the foundation we just want only 1 roll. So a hoop iron it's going at 1,900 for the 1,900 for a single roll. So we require 1 roll. The other rolls, let's say like 3 rolls, 2 rolls that will be needed, they'll be used on the walling from the upper. After we have laid our foundation well, will be used for other part. And then so binding will need like, let's say like 20 kg for the time being, so as to have the beams to raise the beams from the foundation up to certain level. So we'll need 20 kgs, and then D10. So here we always do like this, like us. We just bring like, so here we required 30 pieces of D10, 30 pieces. So we ordered all of those 30 pieces so as to have the ring beam, the standing one from the foundation up to the ring beam, and then after there the remaining D10, they will be used to have a lintel. So we always do like this. The fundi, when comes, he start installing, he has to prepare the wall D10 from scratch to the end, so as when we arrive at we reach at the lintel, our D10 will be already assembled. So our D10 was the 30 pieces, and then R6 was 20 pieces for the time being. And then let's say for the then nails, we required, let's say 6 by 6, of which can, I think 6 by 6 will be 4 by 3, of which was like we take like 20 kgs for the foundation. And then waterproof, we always use waterproof from the scratch. And then anti-termite, we always put anti-termite on for the foundation. And then the other thing was like what was the other thing? The other thing. So I'm having this this for the, and then a choker. A choker is necessary for, like, when you are doing measurement for the house. You will use the choker to measure, to have let's say to draw your house plan on the procedure as it goes. And then let's say like a hacksaw blade. So you need like 5 pieces to have, so to cut those D10 and R6. And then nails, 5 inch we tweak like 25 kg, 4 inch we take 20 kg, and 3 inch we were with 20 kg. So like for that particular stage, so that will be the required for you to start for your foundation of a 2-bedroom with a kitchen, with a sitting room only, and then 1 toilet is an ensuite. So whichever, if you have maybe at least a little bit, if you want to build maybe you are starting house, you can just use this following. Or like if you want, let's say for the kitchen, you want an extension of kitchen, we will have a little bit extension like for the D10, for the blocks, so as because the house plan, it has changed. So guys, if you have not subscribed, so kindly consider subscribing to this YouTube channel, so as when I post this such a content, you will be the first one to be notified, so as to have this credible content. So guys, if you have maybe you want to consult us, you want us to build a house with us, you want anything that maybe concerned with the construction, you can just link us. Our number is on 07 46 28 96 67, 07 46 28 96 67. Even our email is on our bio, and even our number is on our bio. So for easily to consult anything that you have. Right, so let's meet on the next video, and then guys, kindly consider subscribing. We are road to 2,000 subscribers, so kindly I will urge, if you have not yet subscribed, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel. So let's meet on the next video, God willing.